Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best avocado tree is probably one of the most rewarding additions to any home garden, offering not only the potential for delicious, homegrown avocados but also a beautiful, lush canopy that enhances your landscape, making it a truly versatile and valuable plant for both novice and experienced gardeners seeking a taste of the tropics and a sustainable food source. Number 5. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer, Green. Meet the ultimate avocado tool from OXO Good Grips. This versatile slicer is designed to make preparing avocados effortless. It's an all-in-one solution that expertly splits your avocado, removes the pit, and slices the fruit. Get perfectly prepared avocados every time. The integrated stainless steel pitter makes removing the pit a breeze. Just a quick twist is all it takes. The clever slicer lifts the fruit from the skin, creating 7 perfect pieces. Enjoy uniform slices for salads, toast, and more. Designed with your comfort in mind, it features a soft, non-slip grip. This ensures a secure hold, even when wet. Cleanup is simple as it's top-rack dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your avocado creations. What we like? This tool is incredibly convenient for everyday avocado lovers. It simplifies the entire process from splitting to slicing. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to prepare avocados for salads, toast, or guacamole, this is the perfect gadget for you. What people say. Now I grab one thing out of the drawer and use it to easily accomplish all of the above. Just the part that removes the pit saves me enough time and trouble to warrant the purchase. It's solidly built, cute as can be, does all the jobs it's supposed to, easily, is simple to wash up afterward. This tool is super sturdy and works great. No need to worry about cutting my hand anymore taking out the avocado pit. You get nice even slices of avocado. Number 4. DOCAZOO DOCA 6 to 24 foot extension pole. Introducing the DOCAZOO DOCA extension pole, your ultimate solution for reaching high places. This versatile tool extends from 6 to 24 feet, making tasks like tree trimming and fruit picking easier than ever. Picking fruit is a breeze with its easy twist-on design. Simply attach the fruit picking basket and tighten it securely. You'll be harvesting your favorite fruits in no time. The multi-pick basket allows you to gather several fruits at once, saving you time and effort. Plus, the included padded insert ensures your delicate fruits are protected from bruising. From apples and walnuts to lemons and pecans, it safely retrieves your harvest without damaging the tree. It's perfect for fruits, nuts, and more. This multi-use extension pole features a universal threaded tip, making it compatible with a wide range of attachments. Tackle all your hard-to-reach tasks with this adaptable tool. What we like? For those with fruit trees in their yard, this is an absolute game-changer. It allows you to reach and pick fruits from high branches without any hassle. If you want to harvest your own fruits efficiently and safely, this extension pole picker is an excellent choice. What people say. The pole is fluted, which aids in stability. Compared to other poles, it doesn't droop much, fully extended, and the foam grips help you hold it steady. We were hesitant to buy a picker this long that extended without coming apart, but this pole is very well made and very sturdy, even when fully extended. Worked great to get the anju pears out of the top of my tree. It's sturdy and well built, looks like it will hold up for years. Number 3. Avocado a Day, 70+ superfood recipes. Discover the incredible versatility of this natural superfood. Learn how to incorporate it into your daily diet for a healthy boost. Explore over 70 unique and mouth-watering recipes designed to make the most of nature's most delicious superfood. From breakfast to dinner, there's something for everyone. Enjoying this amazing fruit has never been easier. These recipes are simple to follow and packed with nutritional benefits. Embrace the goodness of this nutrient-rich ingredient. It's a simple way to enhance your meals and your well-being. Make it a part of your routine with these delightful preparations. You'll find new favorites that are both satisfying and good for you. What we like? If you're passionate about healthy eating and love avocados, this book is a must-have. It offers a wide variety of delicious and nutritious recipes. For anyone looking to incorporate more superfoods into their diet, this collection will inspire your culinary adventures. What people say. The ingredients are simple, the directions are clear, and the pictures are helpful. Simple, easily obtained, ingredients that the author purposely repeats in several quite different recipes so that there's not much waste either of your ingredient or cabinet space. Not only are the recipes healthy, but they're very simple and easy to follow. There's also a variety in here, everything from avocado toast to breakfast to mac and cheese to desserts to drinks. Number 2. AvoSeedo Avocado Tree Growing Kit. Tired of the same old gifts? Give something truly unique. This avocado growing kit offers an amazing experience for anyone, making it a special occasion gift they won't forget. Experience the magic of watching a sprout grow. Get started right away with everything you need to plant your first seed. You can even name your new plant family member. Did you know avocados are packed with nutrients? Regular consumption is linked to numerous health benefits, including better blood sugar control and reduced inflammation. No green thumb required. This kit is designed for ultimate ease of use. Simply change the water every 2 weeks, and let its intelligent design do the rest. Available in 5 stylish color combinations, this kit is built to impress. We're confident you'll love it, and we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. What we like. This is a fantastic gift for anyone who enjoys a unique and engaging experience. It makes growing your own avocado tree simple and exciting, even for beginners. If you're searching for a memorable present or a fun project to start at home, this kit is ideal. What people say. The see-through pod is nice because it allows me to see progress daily. It saves me the trouble of having to use toothpicks and keep adding water. My seed has split in a record 4 days, so I'm excited to see some green starting. Number 1. DOCAZOO DOCA 7 to 30 foot extension pole. Introducing the DOCAZOO DOCA extension pole, your ultimate solution for reaching and picking fruits. This versatile tool makes harvesting a breeze. Getting started is easy. Just twist on the multi-pick basket and tighten the collar. You'll be ready to gather multiple fruits in no time. Our included padded insert ensures your fruits are collected gently. Say goodbye to bruises and hello to perfectly preserved produce. From apples and walnuts to lemons and pecans, it handles them all. Safely gather your harvest without harming the tree or garden. With its universal threaded tip, this pole is compatible with many attachments. It's designed to help you accomplish all your hard-to-reach tasks with ease. Extend your reach up to 30 feet. This tool is perfect for tree trimming, fruit picking, and even clearing leaves from your roof. What we like. This offers extended reach for a multitude of outdoor tasks. Its versatility with various attachments makes it a valuable tool for any homeowner. If you need to tackle hard-to-reach jobs like tree trimming or cleaning gutters, this pole system is a reliable solution. What people say. It is very large and a little awkward. But I'm sure it's no more difficult than any other 30 feet extendable device. It's very sturdy. The DOCA pole fruit picker, I can finally reach the pretty fruits that were beyond my reach. I did use it and picked a bag full of persimmons before I got tired, so I know it works, and other than being a little heavy, I had no other issues with it. I am stunned at how well this simple device works. I can now easily harvest pears from even the top of the tree without any risk of hurting myself. The basket attached easily to the pole using the included pipe clamp, and the pole is actually much longer than I needed. I could reach the top with only 2 segments extended. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.